Welcome to CermePOS. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to configure and use shelf labels. Let's begin by configuring your shelf labels. When you're in the admin panel, go to Configuration. Select Shelf Labels. A window will appear where you can choose a label template from a wide range of options. Click on the desired template and then on the Select button on the right. The name of the selected template will appear at the top of the screen. Would you like to design your own label or edit an existing template? Click New to create a new label, or Edit to modify an existing A4 template. A configuration screen will appear where you can fully design the layout for A4 paper. Please note, some label templates cannot be edited. When you select such a template, you'll receive a notification. The differences between templates are often in the layout, dimensions, or the presence of a barcode. Try different templates to determine which one best suits your needs. When creating your own shelf label, you can customize its height and length. Additionally, you can adjust the height, width, and position of individual elements on the shelf label, as shown here. When you're done configuring, don't forget to select the printer for your shelf labels. Open Settings in the top right corner. Then, click the printer icon at the bottom and select the desired printer. Now let's check and print the shelf labels. Go to your items list. Select the product you want to create a shelf label for, right-click on it, and choose Add to New Prices. You can repeat this step for every product you want a shelf label for, or just add one product to test if the settings are correct. Next, click on Shelf Labels on the right-hand side. Now, you'll see the products you've selected for shelf labels. A list of items added or updated today will automatically appear. Would you like to manually add an item? Scan or enter the item number in the field at the top left. If you want a preview, select Print to Screen. Then, click on New Prices. If everything looks good, you can uncheck the Print to Screen option and proceed with printing. If it doesn't look right, go back to the configuration screen and either select a different shelf label or create a new one. Would you like to print AGF items? This can be specified in the subcategory. Check AGF. These will be printed on a different format. If everything looks good, you can uncheck the Print to Screen option and proceed with printing. For promotional items, check the Promotion option. Promotional labels will be printed in A5 format. If everything looks good, you can uncheck the Print to Screen option and proceed with printing. Be careful, if you click on All Items, the system will print shelf labels for every item in your store, including the ones you haven't selected. If you've added an item by mistake and don't want a shelf label for it, you can remove it by clicking on the item and then selecting Delete Row. When you're finished, or if you want to clear the entire list to start fresh, click on Empty List. You can also use a data collector to scan items for your list and print them directly. After scanning, click on Data Collector at the bottom right. The process works the same as described earlier. Select Print to Screen if you want a preview, click on New Prices to print the labels in the same order they were scanned, or you click OK to add it to your list. If you want to go back to your item list, click on Close. Congratulations! You now know how to configure and use shelf labels. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Good luck with using CermePOS system.